I love not knowing what is going to happen when I make a song. When you do have that moment in the studio where you come up with some gold, how special that feeling really is. I love, that initial writing stage where you're just like trying to come up with something that's really going to spark your creativity. Hi guys, I'm Alex Preston and this is my brand new course for Toolroom Academy and FaderPro. I've tried to do it so that everybody, musician or not, can get the most out of it and learn how to include samples and loops of original instrumentation into your project. I've also included all the guitar parts that I've recorded throughout the course so that you guys can use them and incorporate them into your own productions. In terms of production, I think separating the mixdown process from the writing process has really made a huge difference to the quality of my productions. And what I mean by that is once you get to that mixdown stage, bouncing everything out to audio and then treating the mixdown as a separate project to the actual writing of the project, I think makes a huge difference in terms of quality and just that final polish on your production. So
this was a